there's literally so much nut shredders right now, and I'm recording because I'm about to get $1 million. Yo!
You just nuked all of this.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I don't know where he went.
Yeah?
You can get 7
You're allowed to explode people, but don't explode people next to the cellar.
No, you can't explode. Just don't explode in this.
Yo! Oh my god! There's so much! My arm!
Yo, we're making so much money.
Blue died to lava.
Only 200!
How did you die to lava?
They got the
Alright, so he's probably
Oh my
like
God,
one-shot or
this is
something, and then he just
crazy.
landed in the lava instead of on
Yo,
solid
I'm at
ground.
979K, bro! Yo, bro, it's my dream to get $1 million.
You wanna go to CK's corner? Code has
Yo, calm down, everyone! Calm down, everyone!
Maddie.
What, Gian? Do I want a what? A
Or got sold.
Wait, actually? Yo, I'm at $1 million! Let's go! Okay, I'm going to the showcase code now! Let's go!
I
What?
need to buy some more sticks.
Who shot that RPG?
Yo, let's go, bro! I'm fine.
It was fucking blue again,
okay,
bro.
let's
Oh
go.
my God.
Let's go to the.
Wait,
let's
there's
go
no
to the. Look at me!
Oh, there is.
Yo, this is crazy.
Fuck off, you fucking
Everyone blew us a grenade! Everyone blew us a grenade!
Bro missed.
got him.
Ah!
Also, I'm pretty sure he killed himself. Yeah, fuck you, Blue. Nobody loves you in life.
Okay,
Piece of
Gian.
shit.
Gian, I'm in app chat, by the way.
You are? Don't care.
Guys, I need to get more,
Hey,
things.
Gray. Are you fine with this, or can we join a prime?
Yo, we just need to do this 9 more times, and then I get another mil.
If y'all join a
Because
private,
if we all get,
I got 5 mil, bro.
I only have 1 mil. I only have 1 mil. I'm just kidding because I win this.
yeah, and Black stopped. He
Oh.
did it like once. It's just Blue
Yeah,
that keeps
yeah,
doing
bro.
it.
Yo, what is it?
They want to grind money in our own code.
What? What? What's the code? What's the code? What's the code?
Let's do more.
Oh. Why? Why does it suck?
Everyone, Blue has a revolver, he's trying to kill us.
Why
Yeah,
does the
but
code
since he
suck?
sucks,
Guys, I'm gonna go
right
get
here,
more.
he's
I'm gonna
like,
go
it's
get
good.
more.
Yeah,
Hello?
I'm gonna get
I'm
more.
not killing anyone correctly.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Wait, no, Gray! Hey, Gray!
Like, very laggy.
Hey,
I'm
Gray!
getting more shredders.
Gian, what's the new code?
There's so much in the lava.
Yeah. I mean, he did spawn 450 of them, so I'm not
Okay, I'm joining that. What? Actually?
Blue's
what the
fucking dead.
fuck?
This nigga dead. No,
Okay,
this nigga
I'm
dead.
joining you.
No.
Is there a
bro.
small galaxy one? Okay, let me just remember this code. Wait, can you tell me the nut sugar code after a while?
What you fucking do?
Yeah, fuck you,
Yo,
Blue, you
Blue, why
fucking
do you-
Okay,
faggot.
I'm
Nobody loves you in
join
life.
back. Join me.
Blue, why do you
It's-
have to be a bitch?
Just join me in the nut sugar
Guys,
code.
I have to like do something that'll take a
Bro,
long
I'm
time
almost at
for me to do
200.
it.
I mean
How long?
1 mil.
Like 6 minutes.
I'm almost at 2
Blue's just gonna
mil.
fucking
Gray.
nuke us,
Hey,
then, bro.
Gray.
Blue, just fucking leave.
May I
Nobody
please
loves you
ask-
here. Nobody wants you here. You're just gonna keep on fucking nuking people. And you're a piece of shit.
HYT2? That's the code for what? What giveaway? Okay, let me just sell this all. Yo! What? What? What's the giveaway?
Blue screen.
Trying to kill him. Ha! You suck. You suck. You actually suck. You actually suck. How'd you miss that?
Hey,
He's
Goku!
mad at me,
Goku!
so you guys are sick.
I'm gonna get 450 more.
What?
I'm gonna kill you, Blue.
If he does kill you, I'm
Don't
just
make
gonna
me,
kill him
Blue.
instantly.
Don't make me.
Wait,
dumbass.
actually?
Don't make me, dumbass.
Yo, let's
Suck. Nobody loves you. Your dick's smaller than nanometer. You have no fan.
Oh my
Literally-
please get it for me, bro. Please. I'll call you the most Sigma person in the world. Like, actually, bro, I promise, bro. You'll be the Sigmaest person in the world. What? But get Parker dark green one. Because he's leopard tech.
I've never seen anyone.
You're so fucking poor!
Yes, I am, but I don't have my iPad right now.
Anything, just.
Wait, he keeps sending money codes? Bro, I don't know where my iPad is. Wait, you have an iPad or a phone? A what? No fair. You are so lucky. Yo, guys, we need a ray gun for this. Oh, I'm not an app. Bro, someone just keeps blowing us up 10 million times.
Hey, Goku, sell it. Goku, sell it.
I stole his
Bro, of course you had to blow us up when we got all the money. 200,000! Let's go!
Wait, watch.
I'm at 2! I'm exactly at 2 million! I'm joining you, Gian, I'm joining
Imagine
you.
you hit that.
Are you in the public? Oh, room is full, dang it! Yo, I forgot the nut shredder code. Frick. Oh my god, dang it! What's the nut shredder code again? Please tell me, Gian. Please tell me. What's the nut shredder code? Please check, bro. What's the code? Tell me, please. Please, Gian, I lost the code. Please, Gian. Yes, please. Bro, I'm gonna shout you out on my YouTube channel right now, bro. I'm gonna shout you out. Some of the 2,160 subscribers will shout you out. Please tell me the code. What is it? 0-1, okay. Wait. Is it OWEN? Yes, I'm in! You!
No, you're not.
Oh yeah.
You!
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my god!
Stop this
I'll talk
Left at the same time. I keep on getting stuck on
0-1!
things.
The code is 0-1!
Man, why you gotta be so mean to me, bro? I didn't do anything.
Cause you're gay.
Okay, I will.
How'd you know?
Bro, my game is lagging out!
Already, Griefers. How was that? Really bad, please.
Well, now you want it.
Imagine going out of safe
Bro,
zone.
the code is
Going out of safe zone.
for a better giveaway for that! For a
I see that bag.
Join the code HGTV for a better giveaway.
HGT.
Join code what?
HGTV.
Dump it.
HGTV for a
I'm
better
out.
giveaway.
Yo, let's go.
Join
Guys,
GBA52.
join
Yeah, thanks for
Bro,
your
what
stuff.
are you doing?
GBA52 for your code. GBA52.
leaving, bro. I'm
GBA52.
People are leaving right now.
GBA52. Oh my God, go. GBA52. GBA52.
GBH. Everybody join the code GBH.
Bro, all the giveaway codes just have to be PvP.
No.
Bro, there's lots of rare stuff. Trust me.
GBA52.
Bro, I'll show you what I got.
G.
Oh my God.
No, bro, can I join?
What? Where?
Yeah, join.
Okay, I've been following you.
Oh yeah, Royal. I think I'll join you.
Yo, where? Bro, I'll shout you out if you tell me, bro. Please. Yo, I bet you this plunger ain't and this polo stick ain't normal.
Where'd Timix
Oh,
go?
no, it is. Yes! I helped you get in, bro. No, please, bro. I'll shout you out.
Timix, you in here?
It's HGTV. It's HGTV. HGTV. It's HGTV part. Bro, it's HGTV, right? What? What? Huh? Oh, it's H. What? Bro, I'm not dumb. You're. Oh, never mind. Bro, you're just lucky, bro. Can I have my iPad so I can go in so I can check the Discord because they're doing giveaways of really rare items, please. I need a refresh. Okay, well, what is it? WDK. Okay. Wait, I'm joining. Yo, okay! Yo! Oh my god! Okay. Okay.
Well, good luck.
Okay. Yo, I found a mini rainbow. I found a mini rainbow thing, bro.
What is this giveaway, bro?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Do I just see a red suitcase? Do I see a red suitcase? Yo, it's a red suitcase. It's a red sunset suitcase. Oh my god. This is my dream. Oh my god. You spawned all of this? Ain't no way you did. Then why is there 20 million people in this country? Yo, a massive galaxy crate? Like... No, don't! They're rare!
Sell them all, sell them!
No, don't sell them. They're rare. A red suitcase. Can you please pass me that? GN. A red suitcase. Red taped suitcase. Right there. Yo. Right here. No! I need this. I need this red taped suitcase. I don't care about this suitcase right now. I need that red taped one. For Candy's kid. Yo! A red taped suitcase! Are you kidding me? Someone took it! Oh my.
Get nut shredders for everybody. Get nut shredders for everybody so we can just sell.
No, we're not getting nut shredders. We
oh my,
already
this
did
is
that.
actually kind of annoying, dude.
Yes, he is
Get
really
nut
annoying.
shredders for everybody. Get nut shredders for everybody.
We're not getting nut shredders.
I have nut shredders.
Oh my
Buy
god.
them for all of us.
This
and
is
we
actually
can
crazy.
offer, selling. Oh, some people want this. Everybody sell them.
Bro,
No,
they
there's
all
not enough
away.
to nut shred for everybody.
Bro, I'm taking out all my stuff.
them.
Basically all my stuff.
Let us have some suitcases. You're ruining the fun of all of us. There's one full.
I'm back.
Already full?
Another one. Guys, yo guys, should I spawn in another 500 and literally crash the goddamn game?
How are you finding these codes, bro?
Chat, should I spawn in another 500,
Yeah,
dude?
Discord.
Chat, do I spawn in 500? Do I spawn in
It's called Find
500?
a Company. It's called Find a Company.
Chat,
You can
who
do
should
this in Find a
guys?
Company?
Yo guys, hey Frog, should I spawn in 500 more?
Yeah, spawn in 500
Yes.
more. Spawn in 500 more.
Alright, my game might crash from this one, but I got you. This is for the
I'm
chat.
basically taking
These
out
are all gonna be big and tiny.
stuff,
Here,
so I
here, I'm gonna wait. Everyone,
Did I hear
get all these
tiny?
suitcases away. Like,
Did
just
I
shoot
hear
rocket
the word
launchers.
tiny?
Here, I'll
Oh
buy
my
it.
god, my red little silly suitcase. My red suitcase. Oh my god, it's my dream. It's my dream. Red suitcase is my dream. Is my dream. Money is all I need. Bro, why is someone blowing up the whole lobby? Bro, why is my game so laggy also?
5, 5, 4.
I don't want countdowns. I'm not in kindergarten.
1.
See you guys in the next uniform.
Bro, his
Get it
game
for
is gone.
Parker
His
now.
game is dead.
Get it for
His game just
Parker.
died. His game just literally died.
No, I didn't. I'm chilling. I'm fine. They're all
Yeah,
tiny,
but
big.
So
They're
I
all.
have to take the red suitcase.
They're tiny, big. Just FYI.
Bro, why are you guys throwing away?
Alright, see y'all.
Yo,
Bro, my game is lagging.
everyone in this game is lagging, bro. You're not the only one.
No,
Yo,
why wouldn't
that
you do
was
this?
small
I'm not doing the code.
red suitcase.
We are fun. You guys can add me. I'm not one of those mad modders. Y'all can add me if you want.
Yo,
Bro.
I got.
Thank you, Gian. You want to go? Well, everyone in this code is the goat. Whoever spawned these. WW modder. W modder, bro. W.
You want like full nut
What?
shredders in it? So? Just regular.
You spawned in Night Shredder?
What's your mod called?
Bro, my game
Here,
is
y'all want money
lagging a
nut
lot.
shredders real quick?
I'll bet.
You're a modder?
Here, I'm spawning in a money nut shredder. Ready? Here's money nut shredders.
Wait.
I got
How many?
it.
How many?
Yo, alright!
Dude,
Everyone take these money nut shredders.
lagging.
Yo, look at these.
Everybody get all the money.
Oh my lord, LeBron knows.
Oh!
Sell all those
Look, guys, get them up. Get a bunch and put them in the sell machine. Put them in the sell
Alright, yeah, I'll
machine.
be back.
A mini pink dynamite. Crazy. I'm about to be the richest person in Animal Company.
There's a mod.
It's not that he's a mod.
Bro, why won't this go?
Bro, there's a modded.
Oopsies. What? You're so lucky. I don't want the dynamite.
More nut shredders. I don't have enough.
Yo, over here, please.
Wait, I gotta take a picture of this.
Okay, I will.
Oh yeah, let me get a
Where I
picture.
will.
Let me get a pic. Let me get a pic.
This is suffering from success.
Bro, all of these.
I just found a time bomb.
What?
everybody. Oh my. I just
I hate
recorded
them
this
dirty
video.
ones.
Actually, it all does.
Oh,
though.
whoa. Wait, don't sell. There's a bunch of suitcases.
Guys,
Yes,
my
we
frame
know
rate
there's
is cooked.
suitcases.
Dude, I can't see it. My game
No,
is
don't
doing
leave, bro. You're Sigma. You're Sigma.
it. Yeah. Everybody be
This week, actually.
That's how they could everybody.
On
Yeah, I
pizza
think I
day.
don't mind. I actually
Or
really,
on the day
put
after
it
pizza
somewhere.
day.
Hey, leave
There's a million.
someday, boy.
I don't know. I don't.
Bro, my hand's stuck.
This is the most beautiful screen I've ever seen in my life.
Yo, I'm getting these for Parker.
My game's lagging because I'm like.
Wait, stop! There's these money cones that I want to stay in, and because Animal Company is going crazy right now, and this is one of my favorite games.
Everybody
and
sell,
and
everybody sell.
Every single rare crate is out here right now. Yes, in this code.
Everyone ready to get
Like
crashed?
literally, ask Gian. I'm totally
Please, no. Please. I like my frame rate is bad enough as it is.
My mom.
No, it's me, bro.
Orange.
Wait, please.
What is happening in here?
Orange cowboy. What's your mod
I'm
called?
recording.
Bro, it's
can't
laggy.
tell.
That's how
Okay,
much there
Is
is.
the data?
If you,
Is
I'm
the
just trying to get
is the
something.
metadata?
yeah, but you sent me.
Okay, then leave. I dare you. Let's see if all of it goes.
Did he get $50 for
2 minutes? Okay, I'm just trying to do something. Please.
I want a galaxy. I just got a galaxy. I just got a galaxy. Can you spawn crystals? I think WTK.
No.
Oh my god, I just got 100K.
Galaxy suitcase.
Bro, it feels like I'm on a freaking 1999 computer trying to run like Apex
This is
Legends.
heaven! We're literally in heaven!
It's suffering from success.
Bro, we're in heaven, but it's laggy heaven.
No, okay, I'll answer
keeping
you.
some of
What?
the stuff. I'm keeping some of the stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to collect the best stuff that I can.
Hi.
Bro, oh my lord, dude. I feel like I'm
Hi.
I feel like I'm running like an early 1900s computer trying to run
You
like
said
Apex
talking
Legends.
until my VR died.
I'm running
What's
like
up?
a freaking
What's
1900s
up?
black
What's
and
up?
white
What's
movie.
up? What's up?
Oh, I did. One's called WTK.
Bro, what?
I mean, it's
my
not
frame rate,
like
dude.
you're gonna run out though.
Oh,
This is me running.
okay.
No.
Hi. How are you doing? I love
WTK.
this. I love this lobby, and there's a Sigma lobby, and yeah, and because you're Sigma also, you're really Sigma too, and yeah.
I'm gonna get some.
We're about to get like millions of dollars.
No.
I almost have $1 million now.
I can't do this, bro. This is too much for me.
Okay, I'm just trying
Bro,
to put my suitcase away.
I'm like losing brain cells for some reason. I don't even know why.
Yo, I'm so close to 10 mil.
Wait,
I'm so
Mom.
close to 10 mil. Yo, can you sell those 2 crates? I'm so close to 10 mil, man.
Okay,
I'm walking away, Wayne. Walk me.
I am.
Everyone, I'm gonna
Wait,
Wayne.
I
Walk
have
me.
to go quickly.
No, please
So
don't.
I'm
Please
really
don't. We
trying
already
to
have
get
enough stuff that's
suitcases.
lagging my
There's
game.
so much
Before I
galaxies.
literally,
Bro, I need to get a galaxy. I need a
yo, I'm getting these ones for Parker.
There anymore, bro. What do you mean? Galaxy is rare.
Okay,
Dude, there's a million of them in this
I'm
lobby.
doing it, bro. I'm just collecting.
Like, what do you mean? Teach me how to get APK, please. I'm gonna go join my friend right now. I have the moderator added. Everyone, I have the moderator added. Wait, what's his name? What's his name?
Okay,
I
I
added.
promise I won't.
My name is Iglo. You can find me, and I have the moderator added.
I'm not. I'm literally not.
I have the moderator added too.
Iglo, my name is Iglo. You can
I
find me.
the struggle of my life.
No, what's the moderator's name?
Solly, this is
Moderator,
crazy.
No, I'm not.
I
You guys,
told
can
you.
find me.
I'm not doing
I
it,
just,
bro.
moderator, I just guys don't want you to be in this business, so you can find me.
What's
your name? What's your name?
Doesn't fit.
Egg roll. Egg roll? Yes. Egg roll.
No!
Oh my god!
Because I don't want
Bro,
it!
my game's laggy. Okay, you guys can have those.
Laggy heaven.
I do, but I don't want to.
Hey, girl, I'll just
Little
send
wiggle
you
bit.
I told you! Bro! Guys, sell money! I need money! Sell money! Sell this nut shredder! Sell this nut shredder!
Don't let it get to you.
But I didn't.
It's so laggy still. I tried joining back and it's horrible.
Yeah, because
I bet you my game will crash like in a minute.
I'm just trying to fill this up. 1 second. No, actually, I promise. I'm just trying to fill this up. Okay, I need to buy a ray gun right now, bro.
All the way up in the sky, like bro. This is crazy.
Yo, I'm almost at 3 mil.
Who's doing this? A modder!
It's my friend. It's my friend. He's my friend. I haven't met him. He's my friend. He just got moderated. Yeah.
He's my friend.
Yo, bro, I was.
He's my friend.
Yes, take it.
Bro, my
My
game
game
is
is on
actually
that.
genuinely crashed. There's no way this game will crash.
Well,
I
okay.
don't even know which ones are the galaxies anymore. I just joined.
I don't even
No, take it. I don't care.
Bro, I don't have any room.
Yes, bro.
How are you
Yes, really, Dilly.
64 mil.
Dilly.
64 mil.
Yes. Whatever. Yes. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Bro,
good luck, bro.
someone's literally,
Welcome.
like, crying of happiness.
Welcome to heaven, bro.
my PC?
Welcome to heaven. Welcome to heaven.
Yeah, someone's crying of happiness.
Welcome for getting my video
Oh
played.
my gosh. There's so much.
Guys, do you want me to get him to join back?
I do not
Guys, make him join back, guys.
How about no killing, do you?
No.
It's heaven. Hey, no killing! So laggy and advantageous.
My game is lagging so hard right now. It's like, oh my gosh, there's so much cases.
I wish he could auto sell.
Yo, I got a massive one. Hey, someone just killed me.
Yeah?
What is this giveaway?
Paper fade.
Bedroom?
It's a rainbow
Okay,
of
guys.
suitcases.
So we have.
Dude, please don't kill us.
Suitcases.
Bro, stop killing
And
each
we have
other,
made
guys.
lots of money. So yes, we're gonna keep going until.
Yo, Galaxy Suitcase!
Like, I don't know, 5 more minutes. I can only play for
Galaxy
like
Suitcase
at least
is all more than just one suitcase, bro.
How could you have not invited me, bro?
I know! Good,
Oh, why is everyone?
Straight up. Literally.
Cases, bro.
Look
That's
at
everyone, bro, in this
No
lobby.
If
killing!
you're ever in a
Oh
giveaway,
my
then just
god,
call
that
me
is
if
so
I'm
much
online.
suitcases. Oh my god, this is my dream.
Guys, do you
Oh
want
my
me to
god, I
get
love
back?
this
How
game.
dare you, bro?
It's just suitcases.
Rosie, where?
Guys, he's
Oh my
joining.
god!
He's joining back.
I hate how it aims
What are you
for
talking about?
different items when I don't even want those
There's
ones.
deleted a couple.
Like, bro, like actually, it's annoying. Like, bro, can I even collect little ones? With ray guns?
My
Or-
inventory.
Hey, no killing!
Hey, no
What
killing,
the
no
heck?
killing. People
Bro,
are
my
like,
inventory.
no
Hey,
killing, no,
hey,
we
hey,
should
hey,
not
bro.
kill.
I should totally just
So
start
I don't know why I'm
making
just
people
mocking them
join
right
this
now.
lobby so they get
Yeah, there's lots of
I'm not ready.
suitcases and yeah,
PC's is lagging!
blue.
Okay, I'm gonna fix it up a little. I'm fixing it up a little.
So bad.
I know, you can't even mine in this. You probably can't even mine.
Like, this is heaven.
You probably can't even mine this.
Bro, someone's like, this is heaven. True.
No killing!
Actually true.
Ask him to do it so like suitcases. Like, can you like auto sell them? Can you ask him? Can you auto sell them? Yes, bro. Auto.
I feel barely stuff, right?
Bro, I can't buy anything.
Arthur, send a pick of Marie.
Yo,
Everyone!
my game is is so
Team up!
laggy.
We need
MREs.
cash.
Oi, oi, oi.
You know what I'm
Bro,
gonna
I
do?
can just
Okay.
fill
I'm
up
gonna
my
do the only
haystack.
thing I can do.
Oi, oi.
Bro, I need a red one. I like that. I just saw someone going.
Okay, guys. So we now have a bag
Oi, oi,
Bro,
oi.
this is the
full of
best
those
one.
cylinders that I will be selling.
I love this game so much.
I'm just trying to get lots of suitcases.
I just died. Give me my box back.
Stop.
Stuff, right? Any cool stuff?
Where?
I like
trying to kill me.
Everyone's lagging.
It's a rainbow.
My VR is heating up like really fast.
Whatever.
Why is my VR at 10,000?
Mine is like.
Yo! Oh
Mine
my
is
god!
like that.
Why is everyone moving our game?
No killing! Stop killing!
Yes, stop killing, please.
We all need money.
But what do we even do with these suitcases? Just sell them?
Sell them.
I'm not close to 3 mil. Like, not.
I just my balls, bro. I just my balls, bro.
I have 2 mil.
I got 15 mil, buddy.
I know. I like
Yo,
just joined the
grappler.
lobby, but it had like
Perfect.
it was like getting a bunch of money.
Because
But, like they were doing. I was like going towards the end.
I told you one day you're gonna get stuff. Yeah.
Max IG, bro. Are you
At the
happy?
top,
Are you
it's
this
not
giveaway?
laggy, and there's a lot of suitcases.
Okay, I'm coming.
I should have invited you. I should have told you. Yo,
Wrong one. Wait.
yes, I got enough.
Yo,
Like 2 minutes.
that's light blue.
Yeah, like I forgot about you, Spinach.
Yo, bro, my friend there who was just on the
Sorry,
voice thing
Vicky.
is like, he's a moderator. He's single, so yeah. I don't know why I just didn't want to go and get that. Because I'm just too lazy. And, bro, where is this suitcase going?